Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
In this video, we will see part 3 of areas related to circles. For part 1 and 2, link in the description box below, you can check that out. As the title says, here we will see problems based on revolutions. So before going to problem, first let's see how to convert the units, that is from one unit to another. So here we have the units of length, that is millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer, and these are their symbols. Say for example, if you want to convert 5 millimeter to meter, how do you do that? For that, firstly you will remember these units in this order: millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, deca, hecto, kilo. Alright. Secondly, for every step you will take in terms of power of 10. Say for example, here you are converting from millimeter to meter, from here to here, right? So here 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3. So the question here is whether to multiply this 10 power 3 or to divide 10 power 3. For that, whenever you go from smaller unit to bigger unit, you will divide with this number. And whenever you come from bigger unit to smaller unit, you will multiply with that number. Say here you have 5 millimeter, you have to convert this 5 millimeter to dash meter. So here we are going from smaller unit to bigger unit. So you have to divide with this number. So 5 by 10 power 3. I hope you are getting my point. Let me give another example. If you have 3 centimeter, now you have to convert this to kilometer. So we are going from centimeter to kilometer, from here to here. So 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 4, 10 power 5. So now you have to multiply or divide by 10 power 5. So here we are going from smaller to bigger unit. So you have to divide by 10 power 5. So that will be 3 by 10 power 5. Now let me give another example. If you want from 2 kilometer to dash meter. So we are coming from kilometer to meter, from here to here. So 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3. So now 10 power 3 has to be multiplied or divided. So here bigger unit to smaller unit. So you will multiply with 10 power 3. So 2 into 10 power 3. This will give in meters. I hope this is clear. Now let's see this problem. Here it says, a bicycle wheel makes 5000 revolutions in moving 11 km. Find the diameter of the wheel. So here it says, bicycle wheel makes 5000 revolutions in moving 11 km. That is, it takes 5000 revolutions in moving 11 kilometers. We have to find the diameter of the wheel. We know for one revolution, the distance covered is circumference of the wheel, that is 2 pi r. For 5000 revolutions, what is the distance covered? Simple unitary method. We have to cross multiply here, right? So first let's take the radius of the wheel as r centimeter. So let r centimeter be the radius of the wheel. So here the distance covered by wheel in one revolution is 2 pi r. So let me write that. Distance covered by wheel in one revolution is 2 pi r. Distance covered by wheel in 5000 revolution is 5000 into 2 pi r, right? So now the distance here is in centimeter because we have taken radius as centimeter, right? Now we have to convert this. This is in centimeter now. Now you have to convert this to kilometer. How do you convert from centimeter to kilometer? As I said, centimeter to kilometer. 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 power 5 has to be divided, right? So this is equal to 5000 into 2 pi r divided by 10 power 5. This will give you in kilometers, right? So when you simplify this, 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 into pi r by 10 power 5. This is in kilometers, right? It is equal to, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros are gone. We are left with 1 zero here denominator, right? So pi r. So it is equal to, pi is 22 by 7 into r. So here we have denominator 10. So 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, which is equal to 11r by 7 5s are 35, which is in kilometer. So now we got distance covered by wheel in 5000 revolution is 11r by 35 kilometers. But here it is given that bicycle wheel covers 11 kilometer in 5000 revolution. That means this has to be equal to 11 kilometer, right? We will continue this, but before that pause the video and note this down. So now we have distance covered by wheel in 5000 revolution is 11r by 35 kilometers. It is given that bicycle wheel covers 11 kilometer in 5000 revolutions. So therefore we can write 11r by 35 is equal to 11 kilometers. So here 11 and 11 is gone. So this implies r is equal to 35 centimeter. We got the radius of the wheel. Here our aim is to find the diameter. So therefore diameter of the wheel is 2 times radius. We know diameter is 2 times radius, right? Which is equal to 2 into 35. That will give you 70 centimeter. So hence the diameter of the wheel is 70 centimeter. I hope this problem is clear. Now let's see one more problem. So now let's see this problem. Here it says a boy is cycling such that the wheels of the cycle are making 140 revolutions per minute. If the diameter of the wheel is 60 centimeter, calculate the speed in kilometer per hour with which the boy is cycling. So first let's see what is given. Here it says boy is cycling such that the wheels of the cycle are making 140 revolutions per minute. So here this is nothing but your speed. We know speed is distance by time. So here 140 revolution is nothing but your distance. So here distance is given in terms of revolutions. So what is given? Speed is given. Speed is nothing but 140 revolutions per minute. Which means for every 1 minute, wheel makes 140 revolutions. What else is given? Diameter of the wheel is 60 centimeter. So diameter of the wheel is 60 centimeter. Here we have to calculate the speed in terms of kilometer per hour. So we have to calculate speed in kilometer per hour. So here also we will go by unitary method. We know for 1 revolution the distance covered will be circumference of the wheel. So 2 pi r. So for 140 revolutions, for 140 revolutions, what will be the distance covered? Cross multiply. So let's write that. Distance covered by the wheel in 140 revolution is equal to 140 into 2 pi r, right? Which is equal to 140 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r. What is r? We know diameter is 60 centimeter. So therefore your r will be 30 centimeter, right? So 30. So this will be in centimeter, which is equal to 7 1s are 7 2s are 14, 0. When you multiply these 20 into 2 into 22 into 30, that will give you 26,400. So this will be in centimeter. So now your distance covered by wheel in 140 revolution is 26,400 centimeter. We want this in kilometers. So from centimeter to kilometer. From centimeter to kilometer. So 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 power 5. We are going from smaller unit to bigger unit. That means we have to divide by 10 power 5. which is equal to 26400 by 10 power 5 is equal to, this will give you in kilometers. So 2 zeros are gone, we are left with 264 by 10 power, here 2 zeros are gone, so 10 power 3 kilometers, right, which is nothing but 264 by 10 power 3 means 3 zeros. So now let's see what is the distance per minute and then to hours. But before that, pause the video and note this down. So now we have distance covered by wheel in 140 revolution is 264 by 1000 kilometers. Here it is given wheels of the cycle are making 140 revolution per minute. That means distance covered in 1 minute is equal to the distance covered by the wheel in 140 revolutions, right? So therefore we can write distance covered by the wheel in 1 minute is equal to 264 by 1000 into 1. So now we have kilometer per minute, right? So this implies distance covered by the wheel in 60 minutes. 60 minutes is nothing but 1 hour, right? Which is equal to 264 by 1000 into 60, which is equal to, here 1 zero is gone. When you simplify this, you will get 15.84 kilometers per hour, right? So hence, the speed with which the boy is cycling is 15.84 kilometer per hour. I hope this is clear. Now let's see one more problem. Now let's say this problem. Here it says a car has wheels which are 80 cm in diameter. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? So first let's write what is given. So given here is diameter of the wheel. So diameter is 80 cm. So this implies your radius is 40 cm, right? So here we have to find how many complete revolutions. So we have to find how many revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes. So time is given as 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour. So speed is given as 66 km per hour. So it means for 10 minutes, how many revolution wheel is making when a car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? I hope question is clear. We know speed is equal to distance by time. This implies here speed is given as 66 km per hour into time here is 10 minutes, which is equal to distance. So this implies here if you see this is speed is in hours and here time is in minute. We have to keep this unit same. Either you have to convert this to minute or you can convert this to hour. So let me convert this to hour. So this implies 66 km per hour into 10 by 60. Now this is in hour, which is equal to distance. So 10 ones are 10 6 are 60. So 6 ones are 6 ones are 6 ones are. So this implies hour and hour is gone. We are left with 11 kilometers. So the distance is 11 kilometers. So now we have to see for this kilometers how many revolutions does the wheel makes. So this we will see by unitary method. But before that, pause the video and note this down. So now we have distance is equal to 11 kilometers. We know for one revolution distance moved is 2 pi r. So for one revolution we have 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into r here is 40 centimeter. So for 1 centimeter, what is the revolution? Cross multiply. So let me write here, for 1 centimeter, number of revolutions is 1 into 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 40. So this will give you number of revolutions for 1 centimeter. So now we have for 1 centimeter, number of revolutions is 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 40. We want for 11 kilometers, but here we have centimeter. So we have to convert this to centimeter. How to convert from kilometer to centimeter? We have kilometer to centimeter. So 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 4, 10 power 5. So we have to multiply by 10 power 5, right? We are converting from bigger unit to smaller unit. So we have to multiply by 10 power 5. So 11 into 10 power 5. Now this is in centimeter. For this distance, what is the number of revolution? So again cross multiply. So let me write that, for 11 into 10 power 5 centimeters, number of revolution is equal to 11 into 10 power 5 into 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 40, right? Which is equal to, when you bring this to numerator, that will be 11 into 10 power 5 into 7 by 2 into 22 into 40, right? So when you simplify this, this will give you 4375. So this is nothing but your number of revolutions. So hence, each wheel makes 4375 revolutions in 10 minutes. I hope this is clear. So this is it in this video. We will see some more problems under this topic. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.